Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like bistro table for your patio. It's an outdoor table, and this one it has a really nice. I was not expecting this kind of like this really nice tempered glass, which I think it is really cool for like a patio table. It is 28 by 28. It's kind of like a big one, but it's not super tall, So that is actually pretty cool because you don't want to be like something super tall, like a bar table or something like that. And this brand sent it to me, and the assemble. I think it was like one of the easiest ones that I did because this one comes with the glass already on top of this part over here. You don't have to put the glass or put the screws and everything. It comes right here and it has a nice package to keep it protected so you don't have to worry about that. And then you just assemble the legs and that's it. It's going to take you, I'm not exaggerating, about 10 minutes, no more than that. So that is actually really cool. The other thing that I like is, let me show you, is that you can remove this part over here and it's going to have a hole. Then now you can connect to this part over here, this kind of like hole over here as well, and you can put an umbrella and have it to be like in a kind of like a fixed place without moving too much. So that is also really cool. And then you can see that this one has this really nice tempered glass, as I was just telling you before, with a nice metal frame in a 28 by 28 inches kind of like surface, which I have to say that for four chairs like this one, it's a nice setup to have in your pot. So if you're looking for a nice bistro table, outdoor table, that this one, again, with the tempered glass and also the 28 by 28 surface, this one could be really good. I like it, easy assemble as well, and it looks pretty good in my patio. So it's gonna look really good in your patio as well.